A 215 million peso asset in Ayala Alabang isn't just a home. It's a 1,000 square meter exercise in strategic capital allocation. If you want vibes, call an agent. If you want an asset, watch this. We start with the Energy Moat. A 1,000 square meter floor area usually carries a massive operational tax, but this asset integrates a 15 kilowatt solar panel system to hedge against rising utility costs, while the high ceiling design reduces cooling loads naturally. Vertical logistics are handled by a mechanical elevator. In a 3-level build, mobility is a non-negotiable for resale value, expanding your future buyer pool to include high net worth, multi-generational families who prioritize accessibility. Notice the material selection. Exotic stone and Italian tiles. These aren't just finishes, they are durable assets that minimize depreciation. Combined with a 6-person roof deck jacuzzi, you are building a wellness moat that standard Alabang builds cannot replicate. When you build for the math, the luxury follows. Watch the full forensic breakdown of this 215 million peso asset right now. A 215 million peso investment in Ayala Alabang is a test of capital allocation. Today, we're dissecting a 1,000 square meter floor plan that leverages vertical logistics and a 15 kilowatt energy moat to future-proof its resale value. If you're looking for vibes, call a broker. If you're looking for a trophy asset that handles like an enterprise, watch this. Verticality and lot optimization. Notice the footprint. We are looking at 1,000 square meters of floor area built on a 558 square meter lot. In high-density luxury villages like Ayala Alabang, this ratio is a verticality play. By utilizing 3 levels, the architect has effectively doubled the utility of the land. As we enter through the automatic gates, the 5-car garage establishes the baseline for a high net worth HNW household's logistical needs. Inside, the high ceiling design isn't just an aesthetic choice. It's an engineering solution for passive cooling, which, combined with the all-around air conditioning, ensures climate control efficiency across all 1,000 square meters. The mechanical centerpiece is the elevator. In a 3-level build of this scale, vertical mobility is not a luxury. It is a mechanical necessity for resale insurance. It ensures the asset remains viable for multi-generational families and aging-in-place buyers, significantly expanding your future exit strategy pool. Let's talk about operating expenses, OPEX. A house of this volume usually carries a massive utility tax. However, this asset integrates a 15 kilowatt solar panel system. This isn't just about going green. It's a strategic hedge against rising electricity costs in 2026. Moving into the showcase kitchen, we see premium European cabinets and Italian tiles paired with exotic stone surfaces. These are durable assets selected to minimize depreciation. By separating the showcase kitchen from the service kitchen, the floor plan optimizes the home for high-volume social hosting while keeping industrial-grade operations, handled by the service staff in their dedicated quarters, completely out of sight. Notice the tech stack. Sub-zero refrigeration and professional-grade ovens are the baseline for this asset class. If the kitchen tech doesn't match the 215 million peso valuation, the entire property devalues. Here, the math holds up. The 3rd level is where the wellness moat is established. We have a roof deck featuring a 6-person jacuzzi and a 4-person sauna. In a post-pandemic market, self-contained health ecosystems add a significant premium to perceived value. From this height, the panoramic view of the Alabang skyline serves as a visual confirmation of the property's premier address. Adjacent to this is a massive entertainment area. This is a chameleon space. It can function as a private cinema, a wellness studio, or a corporate home office. In forensic real estate, we value this as flex space scarcity. The ability of a home to adapt to a buyer's lifestyle without additional renovation capex. With 6 bedrooms, a dedicated den, and a swimming pool with a water feature, this asset is built to international corporate standards. Whether it's the 15-kilowatt solar hedge, the vertical logistics of the elevator, or the finished scarcity of the exotic stone, every square meter works toward your ROI. Real estate wealth is about finding high-value problems and solving them with precision. This Ayala Alabang build is a 215 million peso solution for the modern, high-net-worth family. more information and to schedule a private and discreet VIP viewing for this home, you may get in touch with us via our contact details in the description. Go to our channel for full-length educational and data-driven videos on Southern Metro Manila real estate. Visit our website for a list of various curated properties in the South. Email us if you would like to buy, sell, or lease properties. Till then, we'll see you in the South.